How should we react when the world is falling apart? When we are facing a global crisis unlike any the world has ever seen? As the world's worst humanitarian emergencies deepen and levels of disease, destruction and disaster escalate, the poorest and most vulnerable, especially children, are hardest hit. 150 million more children have been pushed into poverty because of COVID-19. As climate change, disasters, conflict, and food and water shortages intensify, vulnerable communities, including 70 million refugees, are unprepared. How should we react? Human Appeal has been reacting to global emergencies for nearly 30 years. When disaster strikes, we are there on the ground within hours, providing vulnerable families with the essentials they need to survive. And we stay there long after the TV cameras have left, for as long as it takes, restoring shattered lives and reinforcing communities. Our teams are on the ground now, in Syria, Yemen, Gaza and Lebanon, working tirelessly from our field offices to support the most vulnerable, including women, children and the elderly who lack food, safe water, shelter, healthcare and protection against COVID-19. Our Global Emergency Fund is our reaction to a world in crisis. A reaction that is providing safe water in Gaza, healing the sick in Syria, preventing malnutrition in Yemen, and supporting the homeless in Lebanon. Let our Global Emergency Fund be your reaction too. Please help us to save lives. React to a world in crisis now. Donate to our Global Emergency Fund today by visiting humanappeal.org.au.